Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious fettuccine alfredo. First, ensure you have high-quality ingredients, including fresh heavy cream, real Parmesan cheese, and unsalted butter. Begin by cooking your fettuccine pasta according to package directions until it's al dente. Remember to save about 1/4 cup of the starchy pasta water before you drain the rest. This will be crucial for our sauce. Now, let's create that signature creamy sauce. In a large skillet over medium-low heat, melt 4 tablespoons of unsalted butter. Once melted, whisk in 1½ cups of heavy cream and let it gently simmer for a few minutes, but do not boil. Slowly add 1 cup of freshly grated Parmesan cheese, stirring constantly until it's fully incorporated and smooth. This careful process prevents the cheese from clumping. With your sauce ready, it's time to bring everything together. Add the hot, cooked fettuccine directly into the skillet with your Alfredo sauce. Toss gently to coat every strand evenly. If the sauce seems too thick, gradually stir in a tablespoon or 2 of the reserved pasta water until it reaches your desired creamy consistency. Serve immediately, garnished with fresh chopped parsley and a sprinkle of extra Parmesan cheese for that perfect finish. For the best results, always use freshly grated Parmesan cheese. Pre-shredded varieties often contain anti-caking agents that can affect the sauce's texture. Also, be careful not to overheat your Alfredo sauce, as this can cause it to separate. Keep the heat low and gentle. And hey, if you're looking to make meal prep a breeze, check out the link in the description for some fantastic leak-proof containers and other great deals. Enjoy your homemade fettuccine Alfredo.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.